cat doesn't have a drinking problem. He has an eating disorder. He's Kimmy, 46-pound cat. The Guinness Book of World Records says he's the world's fattest cat. Kimmy's weakness? Biscuits. Lots of them. Kimmy sometimes needs help getting around. But his owner doesn't realize that what Kimmy really needs is a diet.
Oh, no, I think he's quite able and capable of getting around. Seems to be no problem with him.
Well, except that this kitty eats like a pig.